It's hard to stay real in a world full of fakes. It's hard to find truth when the lies are great. I'm trying my best to stay out of your way. Oh well, oh well. You talk a big talk, but got nothing to say. You hold your head high, but your morals to fade. I know you feel cool, but your bubble will break. Oh well, oh well. You can walk into a room, and every fool will try to be like you. But I'm not gonna sell my
Hey guys, it's been 3 months since we moved into this house. There are still few things left to do, like getting the AC sorted out. When we rented this house, the AC wasn't included, and the summer actually starts next month, and I can already feel the warm weather. So what's gonna happen is we already booked for a AC installation by next week, so that thing will be sorted out because I need AC. So for now, since we move in here, we just normally open all the glass door and you can feel the fresh air, which actually I really like because it's fresh, you know. But yeah, I think the AC should be installed now, like really quick. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and I'm gonna prepare hold on a sec. I can smell my pot now. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna prepare a quick breakfast. So sandwich with bacon and egg. No, sandwich with bacon and sausage. Good morning, good morning. I'm going out today. I'm going out today, but I just want to show you my backyard bathtub. Hold on, I'm gonna show you because I really like it, and that's one of the reasons we rented this house. But since then, I haven't used it. But it's so cool. I'll just show you now. There you are! Look! Oh, look at that! There are two lizards. Ew. This is their home, I think, because it's outdoors, so anything could be here. Could be a snake next time or an alligator. But yeah. Oh my god, there are three! Ooh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm going back home. I'm going inside. Good morning, guys. This morning is I'm gonna get the bed sheets clean, and all of this, the pillow covers are already in the washing machine. And actually, this is our master bedroom. And every morning, hold on, this is my view. Look at that. So, yep, I'm gonna get going because I need to go out today in the afternoon. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and I'm getting ready because we have a corporate event. I'm a little worried because the weather was not nice for the past few days, and my event that I am organizing, it's not indoor, it's outdoors. So I'm really like hoping that it won't rain. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready and I need to leave here like maybe in the next 30 minutes. So ciao ciao for the meantime. So I am ready, guys. We're gonna head out now, and tell me, how do I look like? You like my dress? This is from Pretty Little Thing. If you